We're back once again for a Bakunawa construction update. And we have made it here inside the park, and today is actually Jersey Coaster Adventure. I'm not doing the event today. I'm just going to kind of enjoy the park and film a construction update for Bakunawa because there's been a lot of work that has been done on the station. So yeah, let's head inside and see what's changed. So it's been a couple weeks since I've been here to the park. And walking back, they have this new sign coming in to the boardwalk. Really looks great. There's been a lot of progress so far on the station. They have these like new teasers down here for Bakunawa, so very cool. Let's get back and see how much progress they've made. So you can definitely see a lot of the structures going up for the station. So definitely very exciting. They're definitely on the same kind of pace as they were with Flash. So assuming that they continue with this pace, I imagine by Fright Fest we should see some testing. I'm predicting middle of October into November, because that was around the same time as Flash. But we'll have to wait and see. So the tagline is actually Bakunawa Serpent's Wrath. So please let me know what you want me to call these construction updates. For now, I'm going to keep calling them Bakunawa construction updates because that's a lot easier. But if you guys want me to call it Bakunawa Serpent's Wrath construction updates, it's a little bit longer, definitely let me know. I definitely like Bakunawa a little bit better. So they now moved the train from where it was over here, now is over here, so at least under some covering, so just in case if it rains. But it's cool that they're leaving it out for everyone to see. Of course, then with the animation video playing right behind it. So yeah, very cool. Decided to get myself a Wildwood funnel cake cooler at Beach Bros, and this is absolutely delicious, guys. It's definitely like a dessert drink. So this is really good. Highly recommended. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it from today's Bakunawa construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. They're making great progress. Like I said, I have a feeling probably by middle of October, early November, we should finally see some testing. And I'm really much looking forward to that. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.